Hey everyone, welcome back to another video with Nova Armory and Armorer Services. Today we're going to be working with the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield with the Performance Center. Alright, we're going to go through disassembly and reassembly and some things to look at when cleaning this weapon. So first we're going to ensure that the weapon is clear. Now to disassemble this weapon, you're going to lock it to the rear. You're going to take and move the slide takedown to the lower position. You're going to release the slide and you're going to pull the trigger for the assist. Once you've done that, you're going to remove the spring and drop down the barrel, and that is the disassembly. Now this again is a very basic cleaning for this weapon. It is a new weapon, so I am going to show you a few things to look for when getting this weapon ready for the range. So first off, you want to check the slide, make sure there's nothing in there. There's no extra packing grease anywhere. Again, this is a new weapon, so it's still fairly clean. No markings, no brass or anything like that in the externals. So I'm just going to go through, kind of wipe it down again just to show you what I would look for in cleaning this weapon. Go through, check the extractor. Again, it's new, there's nothing in there. Alright. The barrel, we're just going over, take down some of this dust and stuff that picked up while in transit. This does have a ported barrel on it, so go ahead and inspect those and make sure that there's nothing in there. I am going to run my bore snake through it in the directions that the bullet will flow. I do this in a rule of 3, third time's the charm. All right, now I'm just gonna go look over the spring, make sure there's nothing in there. Give it a light wipe down. Good. Now we're gonna take a look at the lower. Again, just wiping down everything that it came with from the factory. One thing I do, if I'm not going to the range and I know I'm going to be storing this weapon, I'll give it a light coat of some oil or the rim oil that we have here. I don't like a whole lot because it will pick up some dirt, debris, and dust like that while it's in storage. But if you do know you're going to go to the range and fire this weapon, definitely give it a nice coat, a good layer. All I will do is I will put a little bit a napkin. Alright, now I'm just going to give this a light coat. Nothing too crazy. I'm even going to do some on the spring and the slide as well. Again, I don't want it too damp, just enough to ensure if I did need to pull this weapon out and use it, it's still going to function properly. Now for reassembly, we're going to start with the slide and insert the barrel. Make sure that is all the way back into the rear. And we're going to move the spring in, and again we're going to ensure that the spring makes it to that lower catch on that barrel. And then we're going to insert, making sure everything is lined up. We're going to rack it to the rear. Lock the slide in place, return the slide catch, and then we're going to go through a functions check. Perfect. Alright, thank you guys for joining, and stay tuned for future videos from Nova Armory and the Armorer Services.